Good evening, everyone. It is August 28th, 2017. We're doing a quick 2-box break, 2015-16. O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey, 2-box break number 28. 2 random teams each. And then at the end of the break, we'll also be giving away a free spot in the next break for number 29. So, good luck. Let's roll the dice. I have a 3 and a 6, so that is 9 times on the list of names. And the teams 9 times. 6, 7, 8, 9. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. After 9 times, J-Mac at the top with a free spot in the last break. And that was last spot mojo spot as well. And let's put them into a new Google Doc. Alrighty, now 9 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. After 9 times, Washington Capitals are at the top. Montreal Canadiens are at the bottom. Yeah, good. Yeah, Ben, that's nice. It's nice stuff. You know, a lot of prospects, and a lot of those prospects that are in Leaf Metal Hockey are now on a NHL team. Did you guys look at Upper Deck with their Twitter account today, with the premier rookie photo shoot or rookie photo shoot? All right, so J-Mac, last ball mojo, and last ball mojo in the last break, and a free spot in the last break. Capitals. Jim with last ball mojo in this break. Coyotes, Jesse with the Lightning, Jim with the Ducks, Cruz, you have the Stars, Oscar with the Senators, Cruz with the Hurricanes, Lampros with the Jets, Cruz, you have the Oilers, Bruins, Predators, Flames, and Flyers. Jesse, you have the Blackhawks, Cruz with the Rangers, Leafs and Blue Jackets, Jesse with the Avalanche, Lampros with the Penguins, Jesse with the Islanders, Ryan with the Sharks, Cruz with the Panthers, Ryan with the Wild, Oscar with the Red Wings, Cruz, or actually J-Mac with my LA Kings, Jim with the Devils and Blues, Oscar with the Sabres, Cruz, you have the Canucks, and Oscar with the Montreal Canadiens. So guys, quickly pause the video. Well, actually, I'm not going to pause the video. Let's see if there's any trades. I'll give you guys like 30 seconds. And if not, we will come up, open this 2-box break. Usually there isn't that many trades, but don't want to pause the video. Might as well just keep it running. In the game news is also in the store, guys. That's only 10 spots. That is a fun break to do. Alright, yeah, that's probably not going to be any trades. We'll just close it. TWC. Time Warner Cable. Alright, let's open up a new generator really quick. And we have 6 boxes left. There were a total of 16. So we'll be generating 2 boxes for this break. And here's the list. One more time. So here are the 6 boxes that are remaining from the case. Box 2, 8, and 9, 10, 12, and 16. So we're going to generate 2 boxes from this break. Let's generate them really quick right above me. First one is 2. It is available. Boom. First shot. 2. Put that down here. And let's generate 1 more. And it is 16. Boom. Damn, guys, I even called it inside my head. I was like 16. And it came out. Ooh, this may mean something. Is a Connor McDavid going to pop out in this break? Alright, so these 4 boxes will be for future breaks. And I'll put another one in the store. Alright, so we'll go with box 16, the one I called first. Inside my head, obviously. I didn't call it out loud, but... Like I said, there's a possibility that there can be 2 Connor McDavid rookie patch autographs in the case. We also have an 8-box case break of this. If you guys want to do that, that's been sitting there for like well over a week. So, I mean, it's not that much more to get a random team in 8 boxes. I know this one has 2 random teams for $15.99, but we have an 8-box case break, inner case, for $27.99. So what, an extra $10, $11, $12? And you get chances to get hits through 8 boxes instead of just 2. And like I said, we ship all the base in O-Pee-Chee Platinum. It still sells pretty well. We'll open this one as well. Hey, the Grunch. What's going on, Brian? All right, we'll go with this first one right here. Superstars die cut Mike Bossy. Ron Francis. Artemi Panarin, rookie. It's going to Chicago. Tracks, Braden Holtby. Linus Ullmark, rookie. Ben Hutton. Pitlich, rookie. Brendan Gaunce, rookie. Tracks. Nikolai Ehlers, rookie. Andrew Ladd. Jacob De La Rose, rookie. Retro. Robbie Fabry, rookie. Taylor Lear. Alright, all the big hits are going to be on this side then. So just please leave this card for now. Nice, nice. So we'll put these cards at the top. Jack Eichel, rookie. Put that right there. Mikko Rantanen, rookie retro. Rookie rainbow. That's a nice one. Colorado's going to Jesse. Max Pacioretty. And the rookie auto is Henrik Samuelsson. Arizona Coyotes, last ball mojo going to Jim. As well. Still have a lot of nice color here though, guys. Wow, look at this, Connor McDavid. I said there may be a Connor McDavid auto, but look at that. White ice. Still pretty good. 72 of 199. That should definitely pay for the spot of admission. And a little bit more. I know his base rookie cards probably sell for about $10. 10 to 15. There's a Connor McDavid white ice. Going to the Oilers, man. Cruz. Ryan Johansson. Andrew Kopp. And Marian Gaborik for the LA Kings. Free spot in the last break. Going to J-Mac. 8 of 75 blue cubes. And we got a little bit of color right here left, and it is Yari Hudler. Red Prism 115 of 149. That is going to the Flames and Crews. All right. So that was box 1. Still have one more box left. Box 2. bruh. There's that stack. Open up the second half. Alright guys, good luck. Last box of the break. Kevin Fiala rookie. Pecorine insert. PK Subban tracks. Evgeny Malkin retro. Pumpel rookie retro. Nice Kevin Fiala rookie tracks going to Nashville and Cruz. Jack Eichel rookie. So we'll put that one right there. Temi Panarin rookie retro. Put that in a penny sleeve as well. Grand Fury Legends. Robbie Fabry retro. And Dylan Larkin rookie. Nice. Nice 3 rookies right here. So Detroit going to Oscar. Chicago going to Jesse. And Jack Eichel going to Oscar. Alright guys. Second half of the box. Should be some nice stuff in here. Brock McGinn. Andrew Ladd. And look at that. Marty Turco. Nice. Autograph going to the Dallas Stars and Cruz. Blue Rainbow autograph. Sweet. Alright, that was not a rookie autograph, so there still should be a rookie autograph in here. Alexander Steen. White Ice 132 of 199. It's going to the St. Louis Blues and Las Palmas Jim. Dustin Byfuglien, White Ice for Winnipeg and Lampros. 129 of 199. Put that up here. Neil Poirier. And we have Linus Ullmark for Buffalo. 83 of 149. Buffalo's going to Oscar. So I guess there's only one autograph. And usually when they put a veteran autograph, I guess it wasn't blue rainbows, it was just blue autograph. They usually put an extra autograph in there for a rookie, but still solid. Nice box right here. And a first solid box as well, including a nice McDavid White Ice. So there you go, guys. That was the break. That was number 28. Number 29 will be in the store. Now I'm going to quickly randomize the list of names in here. And the person on top will win a free spot in the next break. So let's quickly switch screens. And let's get this same list in here again. Re-randomize it. Alright, let's go back. Let's roll the dice. Snake Eyes, look at that. 2 times. A 1 and 1. 2 times. Person that comes in on top at number 1 will win a free spot at number 29. 2 times. 1, 2. 1. And 2. After 2 times, there you go, Cruz. You're right at the top, and you now have a free spot in the next break for number 29. So I'll put it back into the store. JaspysHobbyLand.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.